Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We'll be making a card today with one of our new stamp sets from the new release. We're going to be using Pumpkin Spice Everything. This is the set that I illustrated for the new release, and I can't wait for you to get your hands on it. I really am looking forward to seeing all the creations that you create with this new stamp set. So this is the card we'll be making today. We're going to do some paper piecing. Here's another card that I created with the other image. Now this is a good way to use up some of your paper scraps, or you could find one of your paper pads that is fall themed or something that would go great with these images. Usually paper pads coordinate nicely together, so I didn't have any problem matching these papers. They all went so beautifully together. So here I'm just going to be fussy cutting out each of the images and gluing them back onto my die cut here. I made sure to color in any of the parts that I didn't fussy cut out, like the cake part of the cupcake and the coffee part of the latte. I just used a brown. If you didn't want to fussy cut those leaf sprig that I have on there, it wasn't too hard to fussy cut, but if you didn't want to go through that, you could just simply color those leaves in and fussy cut the rest with pattern paper. I did find that using a precision glue pen was a lot easier than using my regular glue. It gave me a lot more control when adding glue to the little pieces of paper. I needed to add some sparkle, so I did use my Stardust stickles to add a little bit of sparkle to the frosting. I just love the shine that gives. I used the tri-frame slimline die from Cat Scrappiness for my card today. This die comes with 3 frames. I used the largest and the second largest frame for this card. And I had a lot of fun because I was able to use pattern paper on my card, and I thought it turned out really pretty. I haven't done that in a while, and I really missed it. I think the patterns give this card a real warm and cozy feel. I love how it turned out. I'm stamping out the sentiment "Warm Hugs" that comes with the stamp set. I think it goes perfect with all the warm and cozy patterns on this card. I'm going to position my sentiment on the left hand side of the card and then position my image on the right hand side. I think this balances out the card. I didn't think this card needed too much because it has all those pattern papers. I think leaving it more clean and simple really gives it an elegant look. I couldn't stop there though. I had to top it off with sequins. Now this completes my card. I hope you enjoyed the inspiration. You'll see a lot more this August from our design team. and I can't wait to see what you create with the new stamp sets. Please hashtag me at Not2ShabbyShop so I can check out your creations. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you real soon. Bye guys!